Obibieri was celebrated amidst joy and happiness as descendants of Eri from around the world gathered at Obu Gad for the annual festival. Amaka Omuzulike was there and commenced at the early hours of the day and brings the details.
Time every year, descendants of Eri, the fifth son of Gad, the seventh son of Jacob, gathered from all over the world to celebrate once again their origin, Olili Obibia Eri. And so, at the early hours of 1st November, on Ekede, Chukwuemeka Eri of Enugu Aguleri in Anambra East Council area led children of Eri as they journeyed from Obugad to Abanabo Ezunomabala Conference to commune with the spirits of their progenitor Eri, who ended his journey in search of his roots at the particular point. The visit to Abanabo normally kicks off the Olili Obiberi with series of prayers, thanksgiving, and sacrifice to spirits who are already anticipating the visit. But before the visit to Abanabo, Ezeri's first port of call was the Obu Gad, Aguve Trinity Tree, and Eke Square, the ancestral home of Igbo race, which she did in company of some cabinet members, delegates from United States of America, Canada, and African America, whose DNA matched with that of the Igbos.
So we are remembering his coming into Aguleri. He lived, he reigned here until he left. Telling other Igbos is that they should know where they are coming from, where they are from. Kusmani Kamade. Wakwani mubu dredochia. Aderi generally uju. Wonya gulerie ndiko pa ikono. Agolo na menyi agolo wenyi mba. Agolo bolebo baoba. Agolo idume agolo kalicha. Nebu bulo nyi bezunu oyi. Wenyi bezunu ikenga ndioku nehu beve.
Upon his return, Ezeri prayed and blessed water, which will serve as a sacramental for the year round, and thereafter performed the kola nut ritual.
I know so I can make a talk and care. But I can my no Chuku so. I know you so none, and I buy none. I cannot give him a man. I delegate. You get my name, delegate. Who was you are there? He's in the Choma, Jalika Choma, and then you call it to Ovor. Putagon, Putan, Congo, Nana, Congo, Ganuru, I can only guide a militata. Where Jane do Turugu. I'm an Akaji Kenya. Yaka Kenya, Makamuga was a group. Who checking a man going up and beginning another chicken.
The shaman, Ezeri Cabinet, and Idu Eri Kingdom, Chief Jidofo Ugezu, an Hollywood actor, was auspiciously present at the festival.
Nabungozi ga-eso onye ọbụla wee naluo ụlọ ọbụla bụ onye bụ nsogbu wee bịa ebe a Akaji dị na Malaysia. Amen. Ọ bụrụ na obi ọma were obi ajị a na-alụsị wee bata ebe a ọ bụrụ na ị naba ọ yara ekwu izu ị ga-eji aka gị mmadụ na ife dị iche mgbe n'ime ndụ onye ọbụla.
Some African Americans who trace their origin to Igbo land, including Mr. Griffin Lawson and Sidney Davids, who came from Kentucky, United States of America, received Igbo names as Prince Eluemuno and Ochora from Ezeora.
What's symbolical about today is that we have come full circle as African Americans to come back to this place on this particular day for this particular ritual. Imiri, Omambala, Bianya Oniri, Omambala ka Anyega Ejina. The reason why we are here is to bring a reconnection between our Igbos who were taken captive and brought to the United States, brought to America, and to bring that reconnection so that our brothers and sisters from America can come back to this place, from Igbo landing to Igbo land.
It's a very special moment for me. I've lived long enough to see this day come true. I do it for myself. I do it for my mother because through her DNA, I found out the same Igbo blood that flows to everyone out here flows in my body. So for me to be here as an American through the transatlantic slave trade, the connection that where those were at the Igbo landings, the water spirit brought us. So this is my first trip here, but I've been to Africa many times, but never here to the homeland. So it's very special to me, very special to be home.
Some prominent individuals from Anambra State were very much on ground to witness the event. An event like this cannot come to an end without paying of homage to Eze Chukwuemeka Eri. Whatever has a beginning must have an end. The Olili Obiberi 2025 has provided an opportunity for Umu Eri to reunite once again and celebrate that which binds them together as they look forward to such conviviality come 2026. I am Amaka Onwuzilike for ABS Insider News.